my beautiful ladies and girls. Welcome to my channel Stay Gorgeous. This is my first video, so I'm very excited to share with you. This video is all about summer essentials, as the season has already approached, I think. So we should be well prepared with the summer essentials required for us. So let's get started. First on my list is starting up with face wash. This is Garnier face wash, pure active, high foaming face wash, and it fights oil and pimple germs. This is for daily use and it is really very nice product, and I got this from, I think, Amazon. So this is very helpful to clean your face and it fights oil. So people who have oily skin, they can always go for this Garnier Skin Naturals. As well as, if my latest is aloe vera gel. This is Aroma aloe vera gel, Aroma Treasures. And as you know, aloe vera gel is very uh, good for the skin. It is a essential part of your skin routine, and as well as it should be the, like you say, it should be the most essential part for your skin routine, because aloe vera gel is very soothing and it moisturizes your skin very nicely. So you can use any kind of aloe vera gel. You can go for Patanjali. There are other brands as well, so you can go for anyone. I am right now using aloe vera gel from Aroma Treasures. After using my face wash, I generally use this aloe vera gel, so that it penetrates in my skin and my pores and all get a bit of toned up. So this is very good. Second, after applying that, it is very essential to apply a moisturizer for your face, which is, right now I am using Lotus Nutramoist Skin Renewal Daily Moisturizing Cream. It has SPF 25 in it, and it has SPF 25 in it, and it is good for all skin types, as it is mentioned over here. So it costs around, I think, 395 or something, and it is very nice if you are looking for a good moisturizer, as well as which has a sunscreen in it. So you can go for this. Otherwise, you can go for a normal moisturizer, and along with that you can use sunscreen lotion. Right now I am using Lotus Herbal Safe Sun Gel. This is a matte gel, and it is, guys, really very nice, and it really gives you a very nice matte finish, and it has SPF 50. So I think if you will apply it once, there will not be any kind of requirement to apply it again. And as well as, you can mix it with your moisturizing cream, whichever other cream if you are using, which is not having SPF. So you can mix this gel with that, and you can apply it on your face before you apply your makeup. So this is the next one, my favorite. Moving on to requirement of scrubs, face pack, and exfoliation is very important during summer, because your skin goes through a lot and there is a lot of sweating. So makeup also gets cakey and all. So you need a very smooth finished skin which has less pimples, because obviously your skin will be prone to a lot of oil during summer season. So I use generally Lotus Berry Scrub. I hope you can see Lotus Berry Scrub. So it has strawberry and aloe vera, again exfoliating face wash. It deep cleans, removes dead cells and blackheads instantly, and it is also suitable for all skin types. It is not costly. It is around 125 rupees, I think, for 100 ml. I'll give the details of all the products, and I'll mention all that things in the description box, so you can go through. So I'm not discussing the price right now. And this is also very good if you want to remove your makeup and clear off your skins. So it helps in deep cleaning. Other than that, if you want, you can also use a face scrub for your makeup removal as well. So this is a very mild exfoliation for daily use from VLCC, papaya and apricot. So papaya, as you know guys, it is very nice for your skin, and apricot helps you, that there are small granules of apricot in this scrub, which helps you to clear off your skin, and it is suitable for sensitive skins also. So if anyone has a sensitive skin, because I have such kind of skin and I have a combination skin, there it is oily T-zone and then this side is dry, so I like to use VLCC papaya and apricot face scrub. Coming to face pack, right now I am using Lotus Herbals Tea Tree Clear. This is Tea Tree Clarifying Face Pack, and it helps to prevent pimple, acne and blemishes and spots. So if you are having oily skin over here or with or overall oily skin, you can apply this. It will be very helpful to prevent the pimples and acne created due to excretion of lot of oil during the summer season. And obviously it is going to, like summer season especially creates lot of oil on your face, and this clarifying face pack will help you to get a smooth and supple skin. So this is my face pack which I am using. Next comes what I'll be using for I should say face. Like, I'm not using foundation generally during this time, because what happens, foundations are very heavy, and again if you start sweating, if you have to move out a lot, then I think foundation will not be a good idea for you. So I generally recommend to use Pond's BB cream. I have used lot of cream guys, BBCC, all these kind of creams, but I think Pond's BB cream is the best of all which I have used till now, and this is I think my third tube. I really love it, and this has SPF 30 in it, which will be very helpful for protection in sun. So again, if you are applying BB cream, it is it will not give you a very high coverage, but yes, it will definitely reduce those blemishes on your face, and as it has SPF, it is very good for your skin, and it will protect you against the sun. Along with that, I am using Maybelline New York's white super fresh powder. So this is 12-hour whitening and protecting compact. This keeps you away from sweating on your face. I am really in love with it, because whenever you apply it, it really works wonder for your, if you are sweating a lot on your face, it really works a wonder for you, and it stays on, and it is a perfecting compact, so you can apply it after applying your foundation and concealer, and I think it is a lovely product. So these two are my favorite related to makeup. Coming to my lips, obviously in summer season you require lot of moisturization for your lips also, so I always prefer to use these kind of lip love and Maybelline lip glosses, which are handy, as well as which are low priced, and it will keep your lips hydrated. I have this Lakme lip love cherry color, which I have been using quite a lot, and this is Maybelline Baby Lips. This is of blackcurrant, I think, Electropop, and the shade is not mentioned, but this comes in purple color, but it gives you a pink kind of finish. So I love these two products for my lips to keep them hydrated time to time. Secondly, most important thing in the summer is perspiration. Yes, so we perspire a lot during summer, and so it is really required to have a nice deodorant or you can say whitening gel, or sorry, you require a good deodorant for or a perfume for yourself. So I prefer Nivea White underarms whitenings. It is for sensitive skin, and it works wonder. It is having a powdery finish, this one, which is for even tone arms, and it is without irritation, and it is really having a very nice and lovely fragrance, which I really love. So this is this. And one most important thing, it is for 48 hours, guys. So if you are moving around a lot in the sun, I think this will be very helpful to you. And other than that, I also use roll-on of Nivea. So as you can see, I have used already half of the bottle. So this is also helpful for even tone and smoother underarms. So it stays, this also stays for 48 hours, and it has vitamin C and avocado extracts. So this is also a very nice product to be used during summers. So these two are my favorites. Now, coming to body lotions right now, see, there are options in Vaseline also. If you want, then you can go for Vaseline intensive aloe vera soothing, sorry, intensive care aloe soothe. So this is for dry skin, but this, the drawback in this is it is not having any SPF or anything for protection from sun. So if you are staying back at home at night, you can use this, right? For after washing your, after you're completing your bath, after washing your hands and all, you can definitely use it on your legs and hands. But if you are moving out in sun, it is very important to have a body lotion which contains SPF. So I have got this Nivea. Guys, I am in love with Nivea products, I should say, because almost everything I have of Nivea. So this is one of my favorite, again, Nivea body lotion. This is whitening cool sensation, and it has SPF 15 in it. I hope you can see it. It has SPF 15 in it, and it has menthol in it. So when you apply it, it gives a very nice and soothing kind of what do you say, soothing kind of effect. So I really like it. It is also light. It is not, it will not make your hands greasy or and that kind of so it is very light on skin, and it refreshes and brightens your skin. So this is also one of my favorite. Coming to your hairs, because your hair will need lot of protection during summer. So after washing my hair, I generally like to apply this Leave-On Silky Potion, which is Moroccan silk, Leave-On Moroccan Silk Serum, right? And the main thing about this is it has vitamin E and UV filters in it. So the reason UV filters are important, because it will make up a layer on your hair. So when you are out in sun, your hairs will get less damage. I have frizzy hair. I have very unmanageable and unruly hair. So I like to apply this, and after applying this, I think it detangles. Not I think, I my hairs get detangled very easily, and the hair fall has also reduced. So I trust Leave-On Silk Serum for summers. All these products which I have shown you, I know this has become a long video, but all these products which I have used or I have informed you about are really very good to keep you good and cool during summer. So if you have liked this video and liked my effort, please give it a thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel Stay Gorgeous, and I will be meeting you in my next video shortly with a nice product review or anything. And you can give your comments below to sorry you can give your comments below to give review about my video, or anything you want to talk about related to this video. Any information other than this you will require, you can always comment on my section, and I'll surely reply you very shortly. And stay gorgeous and have a great time. Bye.